Hey, look, somebody was showering down here.
Yeah, nice fresh loofah. Look at that loofah. That thing's prime.
Brand new. Oh yeah, what the fuck is that thing?
That's a hole into the abyss, man. You can see your future and your past, man.
Fuck me, so I'm not gonna answer, but
Yeah, no, fuck that.
we can film it at the places.
Yeah, this place does need a little work.
Maybe a little love.
That might be it. You never know. Now, because these quit politicians won't begin them no more. Right. So they'll stand. Put dirt in the,
What's the address here? Something Clausen.
73 something. And what's the Wi-Fi code? 0815. I'll whisper that to the camera.
Whisper it right into the camera. Yeah, I think so.
Hey man, we're pretty good at selling stuff. You think Wi-Fi is on the store? You guys want to walk around out front?
Well, you're blocking my shot, but yeah, we got it. We'll walk.
That might be the dog behind the house.
Yeah, there's a dog behind. I thought it smelled a little funky back here. Yeah, okay, there's no dog in this yard. Or in this garage. This is Derek's favorite thing, to make sure I get the garage.
Oh, this one I get, yeah. I think you should get the yard too, so that
There's no,
Is that dog? Oh, I see.
Yeah, he's on the back porch there. He's a nice little dog.
Cutie. I don't mean to bug you.
Yeah, dude, we're just here to do our job and get out.
I'm here to film, talk shit, and leave.
Garage wasn't open.
Got a nice skunky smell. I mean, we might even want to just check this door. It might be unlocked.
It might be. I'll check the front door for the lock. Dude says we'd be like the fourth management company trying to come here and sell it.
Well,
I was like, well, yeah, what's up?
it might sell. No, she's locked.
Screwed shut.
Scooby-Doo.
Go on the back, right?
No, I didn't see one back there.
So, watch your step.
You don't want me to step on the dead baby skunk?
Not really. Stinky.
Ooh, stinky.
Is there a lockbox there?
On that door.
So does that mean, is it unlocked?
Oh,
Oh, right here. Right here.
That's the bullshit, bro.
shit. Oh, it's right
Under
here.
the ivy.
Under the ivy, you say?
Yeah.
Oh. Son of a bitch.
Porch. Looks like it had cameras at one point.
You think this place had an eviction?
Sticker.
Yep.
Oh yeah, who knows how fucking old that is.
I don't know. It looks pretty new.
Oh, by the way, guys, we got the hat situation figured out. Cut my hair, so now I just don't wear hat.
Team no hat?
Team no hat.
Decked out in the HW gear. The
My
piece on his side.
Scalp's gotta get some sun.
I can already smell this place. It smells like water.
Old and wet. Wow, it's pretty dark. You have another light out there?
Was it unlocked?
No.
Oh, okay.
You have another light?
You can use this one. I'll wait for you to
I
clear.
can use my phone. This
Yeah.
light is bright now.
Phone's all I got, too.
Whoa, you can make what?
Yeah, you can change your
I can
beam.
make it wide?
Yeah,
You got a new phone, dude?
yeah. He's got the.
Yeah, I don't know how to use it.
What do you got?
Probably the same thing you have, maybe. Hello?
There's a flashlight here on the ground.
I was gonna
I
say.
think that works.
Maybe.
I think it's covered in fentanyl.
Oh, dude, I think somebody was in here filming OnlyFans content.
Oh shit,
It
dude.
looks like sticky.
People be into that.
I don't know what that neighbor was talking about. The floor's not that soft.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't actually know what he said. It just sounded like he said the floor was soft. He could have said something entirely different. He sounds like the fucking dude from Joe Dirt or whatever the fuck it is.
Nice.
Nice homo night.
Man, nice to see almost me.
Nice homo night.
What's wrong with Mandor?
Open window.
Ah, okay, so we might be with
Maybe splitters,
that was me.
Tall steps here too.
Oh, there is a side door.
Is there? On that side?
Yeah. I think that goes to the basement. I'll wait for Vince to clear the basement though before we go down. This house is like built sideways.
Hey, this is a legit Army issue,
What?
I have like 10 of these. This is real.
Nice, dude.
They were private first class.
Good for them.
Probably got 8 on my fingers, but that's alright.
Yeah, yeah, there's no way to like even.
Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna kick their way in again. Any of them go upstairs?
No, I haven't gone up there yet. I haven't gone upstairs or to the basement.
Where is it?
It's in that side room.
That room on the left right there. Windows wide open, that's great. You think someone's definitely coming and going? There's a table out there you can use as a step stool.
Is it really?
Dead giveaway. Yeah, there's a green fucking table.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I think we fucking try and board it up. Not board it, but
They probably just come here to sleep at night. Did you go upstairs or to the basement?
yeah, there's a basement.
What'd you say, Vince?
upstairs.
It's clear?
So far.
Okay, well.
There's a crawl space I'm not going into, but
You know, fuck that.
we could film it at a distance.
Yeah, this place does need a little work.
Needs a little love. I mean, what would you even call this room? That can't be a fucking bedroom.
Which one? That front room? That's the living room.
No, the basement.
Oh, this is just a slop sink room, like a slop room,
Laundry
yeah.
room? Not laundry room, not in the basement though?
Well, what the fuck? These steps go straight up.
Yeah, it's like a fucking ladder.
It's hard to maneuver that shit. I went up. Vince and I are up here.
Yeah, this is the, this room has a crawl space, so I'd only put...
Vince, you go to the basement yet?
No.
You want to leave? Where do you go?
I'll leave. I'm away from that.
Yeah, I'm almost done.
Probably best at 3. Let's go to the basement together. Yeah, it's been a little while. I should have brought my flashlight. This definitely would have been one that would have made it useful.
Oh, yeah, what the fuck is that thing?
That's a hole into the abyss, man. You can see your future and your past in it.
The dog started barking as soon as I like put the camera in. I'm like, oh no.
You can see. Hey, Derek.
No.
I have a 16 Pro.
I
Is that what you got?
16 Pro swag.
I don't. I thought I had a 16 Pro. I brought the 16.
The 248 years later is from,
Yeah. I was like, my buddy that was in the wedding fucking told me he got one too. And I was like, you know you can film stuff in 4K, right? He's like, oh, dude, how? Fucking show him, you just tap it on your camera. It's like 4K, 30 frames per second, 60, 120, and goes all the way up to 240.
Basement's this way. Probably gonna want to fix that. Yeah, I'll let you go
I was
down
upstairs.
Can I use the light for this one?
Yeah.
My flashlight doesn't really. There is another door over
Yeah.
here. Hello?
What the fuck?
Is that a warning, miss? I think we're good.
Okay.
Oh man, we're at a fucking death trap, crawl space.
What the
A lot of air coming in.
What the fuck are these steps, dude?
Here, if you need the.
No, I'm good. I just don't want to have another Illyria incident. Were you there for that?
Ah, I missed it. You fell down the step through
I
the
fell
steps,
through
right?
the fucking steps. Oh, this place is clearly not getting broken into that often.
Yeah, right.
They left the most important thing here. I hate how Derek walks.
Walks like someone's coming to murder us
Yeah.
in the basement.
Oh, look.
Messy, dirty.
Ouch.
Oh yeah, there's another. Alright, now we're filming, and now you guys can see the dead raccoon.
Hell yeah.
The fucking card was full.
You can get that dead raccoon on camera, bro.
Yeah,
Ah.
when did that go out though?
And my selection will be.
You know when that went out?
When I think when I was down here.
We can rewatch before we leave.
Place makes me feel itchy.
I don't understand how the Prentice and Howard are still here, though. That's
Well,
weird.
after this gets posted to YouTube, they probably won't be.
Shit, right?
Let's see. Hey, look, somebody was showering down here. At
Yeah,
some
nice
point.
fresh loofah. Look at that loofah. That thing's fucking prime.
Brand new.
Use it right now, dude.
Alright, furnace, but the flue's all disconnected. So
Yeah, you saw that was all disconnected. You got that, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that. Oh, water tank.
Assuming your thing is still recording.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was. I think because I was watching it as I was coming down this. Jesus Christ.
You want me to take the light?
No, I'm good.
You sound like you had.
Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Ow, my knee. All right.
Weird.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.